Hi guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Review Vintage Amplifier Sansui BA-60. The BA-60 made by Sansui was released 62 years ago. It sometimes turns on electricity and make a sound. Both channels seem to come out with two specific volume, but there is some weirdness is the volume because it was all for many minutes. This equipment was handled from the one used for QC and factory of Sansui Electricity a long time ago. Final amplifier using transistors, which TO66 packaging, and usually transistors that have TO66 packaging are heavy duty and resistant to heat, and the current is very big. This amplifier has not used a direct coupling. Maybe at the time people did not know the direct coupling system, but no one found it yet. On the front panel of this amp, there is the main switch button, a fast switch indicator light, two volume button, and the balance switch. And on the rear panel, there are speaker terminal, fuse, main power cable, AC outlets, and LR input and circuit breaker. The output that will go to the loudspeaker is a coupling capacitor. I really agree with this method because your speaker will be free from DC voltage input, which is caused your speaker to be damaged. Music power output is 50 watts per 8 ohm. Maybe you want to see from the instruction manual book or service manual of this amplifier. Actually, a lot of need to be modified, or if you want to change from this system, you just need to know what component will be replaced to get the result you expect. As one example is changing the feedback resistor will change the gain of this amplifier. This amplifier is very simple and very compact and does not take up much space. The price of the second hand of this amplifier is about $500 US. And finally, thank you for watching. See you next time.